This chatbot is enterprise ready level. So whenever an admin uploads a document for for an enterprise, it it automatically configures itself for all the users based on the roles and access level provided by the admin. Now, whenever a user asks a question, it authenticates the question users automatically, maps the user role, and assess its risk level along with what's the intent of the question. Based on the intent of that question, our agent activates the rack chain, and via the rack chain, a chain of thought questions, which is if the question is related to finances, general is or is it a general question or an HR question, it is going to invoke that chain and access a singular vector DB, which is going to provide with the perfect answer. Now, the best part of this chatbot is the LLM analyzer. So whenever a question is asked, it is also going to redact some information which is being asked during the which is being it would also redact the question, the details of the question based on the access level provided by the admin to that particular user. The results on your system, on your current application which is working, or on the Oris dashboard for if you have purchased any other products or not. So this is completely plug and play architecture. The auth layer is completely replaceable with your auth layer, and we would just be integrating our current engine over there.
So this is the demonstration of Cortus, our LLM-driven chatbot. I'm going to upload the pitch deck, which is what we submitted to Techstars, and ask it a question. So what are the price tiers for Oris DoCrunch? I will not specify about DoCrunch because the pitch deck doesn't explicitly state that the pricing for DoCrunch it is an overall bundle price. So this is work in progress. There will be latency, and also it's running on the local host. So let's see what it comes back with. And yeah, it gave us the bronze, gold, platinum, and all the API revenue stream as well. And these are all accurate. Next question, investment deployment strategy. We have 4 pillars just to set the expectation. That is what we have stated in the pitch deck, and that's how we're going forward. The allocation would be on development, product development, market research, and marketing, rather, operations and research. So those allocations have been, I see they've been represented correctly over the timeline, different year buckets. Let's go ahead and ask it another question. What are the different products that we offer? The response is sent. I don't see the answers are correct. So there's still more work to be done here because I would expect DoCrunch, Cortus, and RiskLens. Let me ask the question in a different way and see if there are different results. Sometimes there are errors embedded because of the prior questions embeddings are still hanging out, which needs to be cleared, which we obviously have not done. So there will be, let's see how it responds to this question now. Well, it's still not accurate, but it's work in progress.